demonstrations were actually what tied both workshops together, and his ability to bring printing processes to life. As we moved from garment to garment, he demonstrated how each surface had its own personality, some forgiving, some a little more challenging, and some requiring a completely different approach. Whether it was stress testing polyester in Workshop 1, or showcasing the Sherpa fleece, or the rugbies in Workshop 2, Andy showed exactly how to adapt temperatures, pressures and settings. If a test print didn't work on a certain product, he didn't hesitate to suggest an alternative method, and he was equally honest when a particular print simply wasn't recommended. It's that level of transparency that gave attendees real confidence, helping them understand not just what to do, but why certain techniques work better than others. It was Alex and Kyle's hosting style that made the Garment Lab such an upbeat and engaging event. They had a natural ability to hold the room, creating an open, welcoming forum where attendees felt comfortable asking questions, sharing ideas, and just getting involved. Their delivery struck that perfect balance. It was informative without ever feeling heavy. It was professional but still keeping the energy high. They were adding humour, personality, and they had a real sense of partnerships within the sessions. That dynamic kept people engaged from start to finish and helped maintain the momentum between the workshops. Alex and Kyle's hosting style played a huge role in making the Garment Lab feel vibrant, interactive and memorable for everyone who attended.